Have you ever considered using a computer or laptop to play Mobile Legends? Or just want to play Mobile Legends on a bigger screen? I'll show you step by step how to play Mobile Legends on your PC or laptop. Smooth, easy, and for free. Whether you're tired of small screens or just want better controls, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Open BlueStack on your computer. Click the home icon. Open System Apps, then choose Play Store. Once you're in, make sure you're logged in to your Play Store account. Once logged in, click Search, then type in Mobile Legends. Now install and wait for it finish. Okay, let's try and open the game.
Mobile Legends! Hitting the battlefield for the...
Perfect. As you can see, I was able to control it using my keyboard and mouse. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Mobile Legends right on your PC, bigger screen, smoother gameplay, and better controls. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and drop a comment if you've got questions. Thanks for watching, and see you!